Hey guys, today we're going to be doing a 2004 or 5 Volkswagen Golf head unit. First, just remove this one up here, just a plastic rubber tray thing, so just slap it off. And up there you can see there's two torque bits. I think they are a T20, that's it. So let's get to it, okay? I'm gonna place the phone down again and hopefully we can stay without falling over. Maybe there. No, let's try over here again. I don't know if you can see it. Okay, let's give it a go here. Come on, pig. Come on. This one's going to be tricky. Alright, at first we just remove these two up here. Remove these torque screws. And then we use our trusty white pick again. Go from the back of it, lift it up, and then it should slide right out, okay? Then we've got 3 of them down here. One in the front, near the windshield, and the other one's been removed already, okay? That's different. This needs to come out, and that will allow us to undo 2 more down here, and then these should be all metal clips that just pops right out. Okay, so let's get to it. I lost this a couple of times in a few customers' car, so try not to lose it this time. Just move this across. Okay, just loosen up everything. Work your way around it, and then it should pop right off, okay? Just work your way around it. There's no rush, so just be nice and slow with it. It'll come right off, and it comes right back out like that, okay? So we can just place that back there. Get our torque bits again. And we're going to remove these 2 up here. Like that. White pick again. Just carefully go right around here. I don't know if you can see it. Would have had a perfect angle if someone was here to hold it, but I don't. So hopefully you can see that. So let's just start prying that out. Work your way around the edges. That should start loosening up slowly. Right down there. Same thing on the other side. Just slowly get it out. Yeah. Okay. And that fascia trim should come off, exposing us 4 of them. Okay, that holds the head unit in. So 1, 2, 3, 4. That should now loosen up the whole head unit, and it should slide right out like that. Okay, so let's just unplug it. Now be careful, these they got like a little tab thing, so push the tab before you release them. Okay, that's our old unit. Place that to the back. It's like an ISO plug on these ones here, so just gotta press that and then do it. That will pull it out. Okay. So now we've got this CAN bus system. What that means is these 2 little wires here goes through a control area network, and that communicates with the ECU and all that, ICC and shit like that. That tells us to turn it on and off or whatever. Okay. Since that's the case, I'm going to have a steering control harness which has that integrated. Okay. What we can do is we can use a fuse box, tap it off there. That gives us our accessory. Okay. So let me just prepare the head unit and then I'll show you the rest. Okay, we're gonna be using the fuse, which is on the driver's side here, and we're gonna tap into these guys here, or these guys here. They both turn on by the accessory. So just leave it there for now. Okay. What I've done is I've used one of these. It's just a sort of like a splitter for the fuse. So the original fuse goes in here. The one for your accessory or whatever power source supply that you're doing is up here. That just goes right back into the original one. So crimp down to that. And these use a antenna adapter thingamajiggy. So that gives us our thing we're gonna make. Just gonna pop the phone up here again. Hopefully you can see everything. Start popping these through. That goes right through like that. Then we just put one of these in there to stop it from coming back out. Like so. Still swivel, but it's not going to come back out again. So these little clip things in which holds it in place. It's got a little groove for it, so there you go. Nice and easy. Whatever's not used, put it back in the box for the customer. We'll pay for it, so it's this. Okay. That's the antenna out of the way. So let's get on with a few more other things. We've got a pressure kit here, supplied by AirPro, which has a same cutout as the standard CD player. It's just a clip-on, and this one here as well, which has the screw holes I'm going to be using, and our universal double-din cradle, which goes in. Move the side. This one here, if you want to use that, and then this should technically clip on. Looks a lot nicer that way. So either you can clip this back on like that. Looks pretty schmick. Okay. Here we're installing a Kenwood double-din DDX 7016 Bluetooth with the Wi-Fi dongle attachment. So what that means is you can do mirror link or wireless link, whichever thing you're using, either ISO or Android. This is just preparation. I don't know if this guy's kind of boring. You can fast forward it to the next step. Yeah, I'm just preparing it before I can install it. That plugs into the back of the head unit through an HDMI plug. And the other side gives it some power. And then yeah, good to go. Okay, so that plugs into there, like so. These are the power supply, HDMI into the back of the head unit. That sends out the Wi-Fi signal, which interacts with this and your phone. Just standard microphone, external. Handbrake trigger, steering wheel control, which I'm not going to be using on this application. Normally we do. Fairly simple process anyway. I'll show you in one of the videos. So here's our unit. Things away, make it a little bit neater. There's a lot of wrapping. Yes, okay. This is your rear USB. So you can run to glove box or anywhere. That's our 7-inch flip DVD. So let's just do that. We've got a antenna. We won't be using that. Got that. Trigger, constant on. Power for the amplifier, stereo remote, and telephone reach. I don't know why they still leave a telephone reach when it's all Bluetooth now. So just in case you want to do something extra, maybe UHF. Yeah, that's pretty much it. And this. Some customer asked to make it so they can watch it while you're driving. So all you got to do is just earth out the handbrake cable, and that should allow you to do that. Okay, run this as well. Just prepare some of the stuff here. Get back to our original accessory. Let's prepare that. So put that in there. Fairly straightforward. It. Place a fuse on there, run to the top, and that's done. This is close into our wiring loom. Get a bit of length, so it's got something to play with. Slice all off our all our wires. Okay. We'll put a bullet onto that accessory. The rest is our standard plugs. Constant, front, this. These we can tap into later. So for your ears, I'm gonna put this with this guy. So in. Accessory, we're going to put a bullet on to it because we made that one there, so it just makes it easier. I reckon. Yeah. Nice. Sorry. When you're crimping these, give it a little twist on the wires, it just makes it more dense, so more thicker, sorry. So when you crimp it, it doesn't like the house crimp for the terminals. And then the rest is fairly straightforward. Now, front lights, positive. Positive. Bend these back a bit. I normally like strip about 5 centimeter or so, centimeter. Then bend it back, double up on itself so it's thicker. Like I said, so when you put it onto these terminals and crimp them, they don't come back out. If it's a little bit thicker already, just give it a twist so it gives it more, makes it thicker, sorry. And if it's a thin wire, you bend it back on itself. Just like that. And when you put these terminals on, give it a slight twist when you put it on. It just makes it a lot easier to force it on. Boring process at the moment. That's prepared. I'm going to run this as well as your microphone in, and then do this guy and we'll plug it in. Okay, so I'm just going to pause it while I do that. Already show you guys how to run the microphones and stuff on the other ones. So place the microphone up there on the pillar, run the cable down, screw, get it up there into your dash there. Excuse me. While in the process, we just tap into your accessory and run at the same time. Just makes life a lot easier. Okay, so I'm going to put it on pause and show you the rest when we get there. Okay, I'm back, guys. So run the microphone down, pass here, connect it with our accessory through the fuse. I'll pop it open so you can have a look. Just like that. So that's run up there. Just put the trimming back on again for the fuse box. There you go, can't see anything. Run it up to here. So that'll be our accessory. And for the glove box, just pop open this little thing and we grind this down a little bit just so the wires can come through, or the USB can come through without getting any cuts on it. So let me just pop it on hold again. I've got a telephone call. Alright, sorry about that, guys. Let's resume back for a day. Let's see if I can. Nope. No, stay there. Stay. Okay, so we just ran the mic and the accessory up here. Pop in this. Cut out the thing. Grind it out. Okay, so it's not cutting into anything. So let me just. Put this on with the loom so it looks nice and neat. Okay. Just run it with the loom there. Okay, probably chop it about there. And we'll put a female bullet onto it so nothing's exposed. Over there. It's all part of one, so it doesn't look like there's wires running all over the joints. And just waste off the other length of the microphone, so it's not everywhere. We're trying to neaten things up here, so hence the word try. So make it look half decent on the back here. There you go. Now our antenna that we've done earlier is pretty much as simple as plug like that, clip it back on, plug, and there you go. Now that it comes with this little thing, we can place it right here on the which way is it? Looks like it's this way. So you can see we can place it in there. That looks like it's going to be a bit of a bitch. Can be done. Just use a little flathead and we'll pop it in. So it looks like it's part of the loom as well. It doesn't work one way, let's try the other way. Okay. Along those lines just to fix it up, because I think I add a bit too much force there. So let's see if I can manage to make a stick. If it doesn't want to do that, we're just gonna do the same thing, put a bullet on it, because this guy is proving to be a bit of a nuisance here. So, we put a bullet onto it. Sorry guys. Ready, put the bullet in, crimp it, there we go. Okay, Now let's do our wiring. So we've got earth, should be here, should be a brown one, okay, it's on the bigger, thicker one. So brown earth on the wiring loom. Got our accessory, which we've made before, that plugs into that. Our power antenna goes into that, which we just done previously, just then, sorry. A constant which has a red with a yellow trace. There's two of them, okay, so just plug it right there. And these is pretty much like an ISO, okay, so top of the loom here, this normally be on top of the loom, so we've got rears on the outer sides, okay, and then your fronts inside, so we've got rear right, front left, rear left, like that, okay. So let me just plug it all in. And sorry, the negatives are on the same side where the earth is, so that side anyway. So let me just plug all these in, rear right. So we've got front right. Sorry, so Sunday morning and it's Saturday morning. I'm not really up for it at the moment. Didn't have my sugar hit and my coffee. So that's front left, front right, now it's front left. Rear left. ISO plugs are 99% of the time relatively the same. Just the location of the constant and the accessory is always different, but just change that to whatever suits you, whatever suits your needs. Sorry. Now let's just tape this guy up, and then yeah, that's it. It's all done. Put a needle up the wires, tape it up so they don't come out, which it shouldn't, especially if you're crisscrossing the tape like that, which it pulls on itself again, so that way there is pretty much near impossible for it to come out. Need up the loom. So we've got our antenna, a loom for the HDMI, microphone. Sorry, lost my train of thought there. Get all our stuff ready. Okay, let's put all this through. Sorry, like I said, I'll transport then. I've got to put the fascia kit on first, sorry guys. Yeah. It's too early, you know. I'm just exhausted from last night. That goes into there. Let's put our thing in. I'll put the cradle in. Through like that, like so. Sure nothing's jammed or anything. cradle goes through like that. Okay. We screw these guys in, bend some tabs, and then yeah. Where is it? There it is. So just put some of these back here, secure them back in place. So okay, now we'll just grab our HDMI cable, which goes into the back of these head units here, and remember, just there you go, plug it in slowly, it'll be fine. And then we're going to run our USB to the glove box first, because it makes it a lot easier, which should have a gap on the side here, and you can easily just wiggle through with your fingers like so. Just plug in some of our HDMIs like that. Now that can be dropped into the back there, should be fine. Our antenna, our handbrake cable, so wiring harness, the loom, sorry, and then our microphone, which goes into there. Now let's try and neaten up all this, shove it in the back there, like so. Bend some of these tabs so the cradle holds it in, the cradle stays in place, sorry. Like I said, I'm tired, I'm sorry. Every child was keeping up all night, so the result is not very productive at work. No excuse here. Okay, just push more back in there. Now let's have should we have a dummy run and see if it actually works, eh? That right over there. Dummy run. Turns on, so it's a good sign. Demo off, reverse camera. Yep. It works.
Sweet.
Okay, that works. So let's just put everything back together, eh? So I should clip it in there like that. Put this fascia back in place again. Just remember, whatever you're taking out, put back in, but just slowly and in reverse. Okay. So just clip, clip, clip. So, and then we'll put our 2 screws up there. So drag this out a bit more, just like that. Place our little cover back on, just like that. That now is in the glove box, nice and safe. These 2 little screws goes up here, goes back on. Okay. morning. Sorry guys. Just be careful. But this is not, so make sure we get it all lines up. It helps that you can see as well. I need a torch. Just try and place these things back in the clip. First, so just this goes out. Can be a bit gentle with these things. Just do right pick again. So these little prongs here, these go in first, like so. And then these guys come in. Didn't get it in again. Just try one more time. Everything, yeah, in place. Not in place, you can tell that things are not lined up. The car will let you know. There we go, we're back in place. So let's just put our little trim back on first. Sorry. Jesus Christ, what's wrong with me today? And clip it on, and we'll do the top, and pretty much that's it. Do the 2 screws and stuff back up there. Just push these clips back in place, and then voila. Thanks guys, see you next time.